Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about some particular people who ignored all of the FUD that came out with Shibarium. And again, here's what I know. Numbers don't lie. And we've got numbers to back it up in terms of some Shiba Inu whales, some large top Ethereum holders. Let's look and see what they did when Shibarium launched. Now, I know that's not the entire story, but it's a big part of the story because follow the smart money is something we've said and live by, at least here on this channel, for a very long time. We find people who are a lot smarter than we are, and we see what they do, right? And when they buy and when they sell. Well, I think you're going to like what we have here when we jump into the data here in terms of what the Shib whales did. So a lot of retailers look like they freaked out when Shibarium came out, or even the day before when they thought Shibarium would launch. We had some sell-off then. Keep in mind, this was a market-wide sell-off. This was not just Shiba Inu. Bitcoin's down 7% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum down almost 5% in the last 24 hours. Shib, right there with it, actually only down 2% in the last 24 hours, having a nice little resurgence. We'll take a look at that over on the chart here in just a little bit. We'll also talk about XT Algo, my new indicator, which is available right now for everybody. XT Algo, one of the best indicators out there. It was built by some great professionals. You can check it out today. 30-day money-back guarantee. What this is going to do, it's going to give you the best entry points on when to enter trades, when to exit trades, when to come in and when to get out. That is always the big question we want answered in trading. Well, this XT Algo, my indicator, will help you do that. And you can see it in action over at xtalgo.com. The link is down below in the description. Right now, huge discount by using the discount code XT2023. Huge discount from now and just for the end of the month. So you're not going to want to miss out on this. Check it out down below. And again, check out the website. You can see it in action, what all it does. I think you're really going to be shocked, and I'm super, super pumped. But let's jump into this. Shiba Inu whales buying 6.5 trillion Shib the day after Shibarium launches. So amid all of the noise, amid all of the FUD and the fear, uncertainty, and doubt from people in and around different communities, some inside the community, what did the whales do, right? Did they block out the noise and go their own way? The answer is yes. That's exactly what they did. Meanwhile, today, Call, Shib developer, put out their kind of path forward for Shibarium scaling. I talked about that in my previous video. If you haven't seen that one, check it out. That one's just the video right before this one, so check that out. But here's what large holders did. They had a huge number of inflow. So per the data into the block, August 16th and 17th, the last 2 days, saw a huge increase in Shib large holder inflows. That means money coming in, not money coming out. They went from 1.48 trillion Shib to 8 trillion Shib. This implies that over 6.52 trillion Shib were bought by these large holders or whales within this time frame over the last 48 hours. Large holders have increased by 664% in the last week. Huge inflows spiking yesterday, meaning guess who bought this dip? This was the whales. So while the retailers freaked out and got shook out, and they dropped this price all the way down into the low sevens, XT Algo, our indicator, flashed, hey, we could have a possible retracement up. The reason why it flashed is they saw whales starting to eat up this dip. And that's exactly what happened. We've come back down from the 7.7 all the way topping out to about the 8.6 today. And by the way, these indicators are all explained in our tutorial videos as soon as you make a purchase. If you decide to, we'll walk you through, get you all set up within 10 minutes. Again, 30-day money-back guarantee on that offer too. So no risk there. I mean, full refund, no questions asked if you don't like it. But that's exactly what happened. The whales came in here, bought up the dip like crazy. This is what always happens. It happens with Bitcoin. It happens with Ethereum. It happens in the stock market. The smart money, when others get fearful, they get greedy. When others get fearful, they get greedy. And it happens all the time to retail investors like us. But we're trying to be a little bit more smarter than the average retail investor. The average retail investor freaks out, sells at a loss, and then guess what? They look up a month later and the price is back above their average cost. Oh my gosh, why did I sell? Well, you sold on a red day. You're not supposed to sell when it's red. You're supposed to sell when it's green, right? But that's not what happens oftentimes, okay? And this is exactly what happened. There was a little bit of a mini freak out mode for people looking at Shib in this little tight window, but the exact opposite was happening when all these whales were accumulating. Again, the data is right here. I'm not throwing stuff at the wall and seeing what's sticking here. Into the Block has our data. So while while some were freaking out, the whales saw it as a big opportunity. And I did as well. I started accumulating yesterday some of my favorite cryptos, like XRP, like Shib, like Polygon. We want to buy on the red days, guys. Buy on the red days and enjoy the green days, or take profits on the green days, right? It's not that hard of a concept, but it's hard when we're in the moment. And again, I wanted to bring you up to speed on this because it's very, very important. It's right here. This is what the Shib whales did when everybody was freaking out, when all the FUD was being spread on Twitter or X. This is what was happening. So I appreciate you guys. Check out that algo down below. Again, pricing is all right here for you as well. It'll take you right to it if you click at the top. Best option is that quarterly option right there. You're going to save the most. 30-day money-back guarantee, full refund. If you want to become a better trader and start making money in the bear market, in the bull market, and get really serious about crypto, this could be something for you. Again, full money-back guarantee, 30 days. Link down below in the description. Shib Army, remember this. When they get fearful, get greedy. That's what the Shib whales do. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.